Hello everyone, this is Vivi here and once again welcome back to my channel Vivis Arena. So today I am here in, as you can see behind me, I am in Vega Circle Mall and I'm planning to explore the whole Vega Circle Mall and will share you the very beautiful place inside the Vega Circle Mall. So please guys stay tuned.
Siliguri is a small town which does not have sophisticated luxuries of metropolis. But I doubt there is anything you cannot find here. Not very long ago, we just had Hong Kong market to fulfill the necessities of life. Presently, we have Cosmos, City Center and Vega Circle Mall. Vega Circle Mall is located in Siliguri, Sevoke Road near Check Post. That is Vega Circle Mall.
Guys, finally I am in Vega Circle Mall. It is very beautiful guys. मतलब बहुत खूब सुंदर है अंदर में, आप लोग देख सकते हो मेरे पीछे. It is very beautiful और I am planning to show you so many things here. So please guys stay tuned.
Vega Circle has some non-proceeded brands in Siliguri like Forever 21, Tom Hilfiger, etc. Ground floor has some popular apparel stores like Pantaloon, Levi's, Max, etc.
Guys, Vega Circle Mall ऐसा एक शॉपिंग मॉल है जहाँ पे आप लोग you can get here so many things like fashionable dress, any kind of sportswear, any kind of makeups or hair spa. Each and everything is done here. If you really want to do this, then you have to come and must visit Vega Circle.
Vega Circle Mall is the third big mall which is opened in Siliguri after Cosmos and City Center.
So guys, this is the place जहाँ पे लोग आके फोटोज खींचता है. वेगा सर्किल मॉल ये जगह एक एक्चुअली वेरी फेमस, दिस प्लेस इज वेरी फेमस बिकॉज लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं और मैक्सिमम लोग यहाँ पे आके फोटोज क्लिक करते हैं. If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days
days when we were young. Oh,
Third story has a marvelous food corner named Opera Food.
memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Fifth floor continues being Inox movie theater.
We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
गाइस वेगा सर्कल मॉल का टॉप फ्लोर में यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा एक पेंटिंग देखने को मिल रहा है जो कि काफ़ी सुंदर है. ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज सो प्रीटी, सो ब्यूटीफुल. एज यू कैन सी बिहाइंड मी कि यहाँ पे वेगा सर्कल मॉल का पूरा मतलब जो मॉल है उसका पेंटिंग बनाया गया है. और उस back home, and I hope that you really enjoy it. If you really enjoy it, then please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Bibis Arena and press the bell button to be notified of my all videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, and see you in another video.
If you
Bye.
find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love.